to check your WAEC result. You must have written your WAEC, and here's just the way for you to check your WAEC result. You need, even if the WAEC result has come out, or even if WAEC has not released the result, you need to use this guideline whenever your result is out to check this year's WAEC for your results. Now, here we go. To check the 2024 WAEC result online, or even if it's not 2024, any other year, either 2025, 2026, or previous years, just follow the steps follow the steps I am about to show you to check your WAEC result. You have to the WAEC 2024 or your own year results checker portal. HTTPS force double force www.waecdirectonline no waecdirect.org www.waecdirect.org. Now this is it, www.waecdirect.org. Once you go to your browser like your Chrome or your Firefox or any browser in your smartphone or your laptop or any system, just enter this website. By the way, I will send you this link. If you want me to send you this link, if you also want me to help you to check your WAEC results, if you want us to help you check your WAEC results, if you want us to check it for you, you don't know how to check it, you can also tell me in the comment section. Of course, we will charge you 1,000 for that. If you want us to check your WAEC results for you, you can let me know. We'll check it for you also. Okay, but when you click on this link, I can also send you this link. If you want me to send it to you, just subscribe to this YouTube channel right now, Noble Tutorial. Then do three things: like this video, comment under this video that you have subscribed. That is when you subscribe, like this video, then comment that you have subscribed. Then I will guide you to check your WAEC result, or you can also tell me to check it for you. Okay? When you click on this link on your phone or your laptop, here is what will come out. This thing will come out. This kind of page will come out on your phone or your laptop. Then once it opens, enter your WAEC examination number in the given space. You can see there is a space for your exam number, so you just enter your WAEC exam number there. So enter your WAEC exam number there in that first space. Then in the next space, select your examination year. That is, your examination year is 2024 or your own year. You can see in this particular example I'm showing you is 2023. But if your year is not 2023, you just click on it and go to your own year and select it. That's the second step. Select your examination type. Imania, you know WAEC also has things like GCE or mature program exam, but your own is May, June. So what you just do is when you come to this place, select your examination type. And what you should put there is May, June. Just when you click on that, you will see it come out. Then remember what I said, subscribe to this YouTube channel right now, Noble Tutorial. Like this video, also share this video to your group, all the group you are in for WAEC candidates. Share to them. How you share is just click on share, copy the link and paste so that they can also use it to check their own WAEC result. Do it right now. Then when you have done that, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Once you subscribe, I'll begin to guide you. If you want me to check, if you want us to check for you, if you also want us to send you that link, this particular link that you will use to check it by yourself. Okay, when you have clicked on that link, just enter the card serial number. If you get to, there's an exam card they gave you. There's a card they gave you in the WAEC. If they did not give it to you, tell me in the comment that they did not give it to you. But as a WAEC candidate, there's a WAEC exam card they gave you. It contains your registration number, your exam number, your exam card. From that card, you can get your serial number. Your serial number is written on that card. In that card also, you will see your PIN. Your PIN is also in that card. These are the things you put in that portal that opened. Then, if you want to join our study group, we have an online study group. You can also tell me you want to join, and I will put you there as you are preparing for your JAM or your other examinations, your NECO or any other examination. Okay, once you have put your reg number, followed all the steps, you have put your reg number, you have put your PIN, you have put your serial number, you will simply click on submit. Immediately you click on submit, your WAEC result will come out, except if you have any issue. Once you put all these things and click on submit, once you click on submit, your WAEC result will just pop out. I've just guided you on the simple way to check your WAEC result. If you also want to check your JAM result, go to our YouTube channel and check for this video, how to check your 2024 JAM result. Check on this video, you will see it and you will click on it. So I wish you all the best. Remember, if you want me to check the WAEC result, NECO, JAM, or other results for you, let me know. If you want me to send you the link to check your JAM or your WAEC or NECO or any other result, let me know. But first of all, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, share the link of this video to your friends, then comment, I have subscribed. Just comment, I have subscribed. Once you have subscribed and you comment, I have subscribed, I will send you all the materials and all the details you will need.